What's the meaning of alphabetically? Alphabetically. 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 Alphabetically.
Alphabetically refers to sorting items based on the order of letters in the alphabet. When arranging items alphabetically, they are arranged starting from the first letter of the word or phrase till the last. For instance, if we sort the names, Alice, Charlie, and Bob alphabetically, the result would be Alice, Bob, and Charlie. The sorting will be in ascending order from A to Z. This method is commonly used in libraries, directories, dictionaries, and many more applications where sorting is needed for easy organization and retrieval of information.